This week, I made the easiest $750 in my life. You don't need to sell something, you don't need a website, you don't need followers, and you don't need to record yourself. It works from any country, and this method is unknown. So I am 100% sure this method will work for you. This is currently the easiest way to make money online, and you can start earning already today. The AI trend is real and millions of people are trying out all kinds of AI tools to help with their job. You need to hop on the AI wave today so you can start earning money straight away with this. I am sharing this method with you because it won't affect my earnings, as we will target all content creators in the world, which are already over 100 million people and more to come. So before we get started, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for pop-up notifications for my next videos. Let's get started. The artificial intelligence tool we will make money with is Mubert.com. With Mubert.com, content creators can make AI-generated music with a single click of a button. Yes, that's easy. You can create a soundtrack that will fit your content mode, duration, and tempo, all instantly. Very easy to do and perfect. Most content creators struggle with two things: get copyright-free music to use so their content won't be taken down from social media platforms, and find music that matches their content. Mubert.com solves these two problems for content creators by letting content creators generate music in no time that is royalty-free, so none of their videos will be taken down on the social media platforms. We will join Mubert.com, their affiliate program, and it will pay out 30% of each paying customer you refer. And the beauty of all it is recurring every single month. For example, if you refer one content creator and she purchased the creator subscription for $14, you will earn $4.26 monthly from this single subscriber. And content creators always need music for their content, so there is a high chance your referral will stay for months or even years. Subscribe to Mubert.com. If you refer 10 people, that is $42.60 passive income monthly. If you refer someone with a pro subscription, you will earn $11.17 per month. If you refer 10 people with a pro subscription, you will earn $117 per month. If you refer 100 people with the pro subscription, you will earn $1,170 per month. If you target businesses with one business subscription, you already earn $59.70 per month. If you refer 10 businesses, $597 per month. If you refer 100 businesses, it is $5,970 per month. There are more than 100 million content creators out there, and many of them still don't know this. A lot of people are currently earning tens of thousands of dollars the month with the affiliate program of Jasper AI, where they have the same style as an affiliate program. Only this AI tool generates content for writers. Mubert.com generates content for music. The same will happen now with Mubert.com, which will generate AI music for content creators, as it solves a great problem for a little bit of money to become an affiliate partner. It's really easy. Head over to Newer.com and click on the Common Affiliate. Write your full name, email, and password to sign up. After you are signed up, validate your email if you don't. Send an email to check your spam folder. After you click on your confirmation mail, you need to give your PayPal account, because that is how they pay out. In case you don't have a PayPal account yet, you can register an account on PayPal.com in a minute. After you confirm your PayPal account, you will be redirected to the dashboard where you can grab your affiliate link. We will use this affiliate link to let other people sign up on Mubert.com. If content creators click on your affiliate link and purchase a subscription, you will get paid 30% of what they paid for their subscription every single month, as long as they have their subscription. This is purely passive income. Now we need to make content to promote our affiliate link. The best free traffic to get is via TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram and Facebook Reels, Snapchat, Pinterest, and all other social media platforms. But you can also promote your affiliate link in Facebook groups that are about content creation. For example, you can see here thousands of people that can see your affiliate link just by posting your affiliate link in these groups. Currently, as you can see, there are not many people promoting Mubert because it's not very known yet, meaning it's not saturated. So if you can create content like these people or make a little tutorial on how to use it, covered with a free license, you can attract people to the world of AI and music. To create content for these platforms, you can use a free editing tool like Canva.com. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new content. See you soon. Thanks for watching.